missing one piece of my luggage. Has anybody seen it? It's a large box covered with stickers. I bet it was one of those pesky elephants. They think every trunk is theirs.
Alright guys, go ahead and wave goodbye to that dog. We may never see it again, guys. My name is Samantha. I'll be your skipper, your cruise director, your tour guide, but most importantly, everyone, your swim instructor for the next 3 months. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And parents, make sure you're watching your little ones. We are now entering the rainforest, everyone, where it rains for about 400 days out of the year. Yeah, if you ask me, that's almost every single day. Up on our left-hand side is going to be the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, everyone, where Indiana Jones is looking for the world's greatest treasure. I don't know why he's looking over there, though, because you guys are all clearly right in front of me. Coming up on my right-hand side here is going to be a Himalayan tiger. Did you know that they can jump up to 20 feet? Yeah, lucky for us, everyone, we're exactly 19 feet away. So, in theory, you should go right over our heads, just like my jokes will today. Here, we have some concrete evidence we will be seeing elephants today. So, yeah, keep your eyes open, guys. Wow, look at how many elephants we have right now, guys. This is actually completely unheard of for this time of day. Feel free to stare or take pictures. They do have their trunks on, guys. You all see Big Bertha right there taking a shower. Yeah, that's what happens when you take a shower too long, guys. You might turn into an elephant. Almost happened to me once. Oh, who am I kidding, guys? I can be honest, I don't shower. But you all will be showering right now. Meet my friend Squirt. Watch out, you guys are about to get soaking wet there in the back. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, never mind, that's some dry humor for you in the back. Ooh, danger. Let's get closer, everyone. As we head into banana country, go ahead and keep your eyes peeled for more danger. Oh, look at that cute monkey. How cute, right? Wait, monkey? Done? I think we should get out of here, guys. Alright, everyone. Now that we're out of some real danger, who here is wearing yellow? Do I have anybody wearing any yellow today? Well, if you are, please try not to make any banana noises, as that gorilla gets really hungry when he sees guests. Oh no, everyone, we're coming up to a fork in the river. We're gonna go ahead and take a right-hand turn this time. Last time I took a left, it did not end well for my guests. Actually, guys, I think I did go right last time. Anyway, we are now in the Nile River, everyone. Where it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. Yeah, and if you don't believe me, a boat. Yeah, we're in a boat, guys. Can't believe we forgot that one. Up ahead, everyone, we're gonna see many different breeds of horses. We got some horses with horns, some with polka dots. Some are so old they are still in black and white, y'all. Can anybody tell me what those things are way up there? Guys, they're trees. Yeah, you make me scared for y'all's future and it won't be my fault. Oh my gosh, is that skipper Felix and his crew? Guys, we went missing this morning. Yeah, let's just forget we ever saw that. That's just too much paperwork, and to be honest, I'm at the end of my shift. I don't have time for that. Oh no, guys, I think we're headed for the hippo pool. Since I'm being honest, I'm gonna let you know these hippos took 6 of our boats last week. Yeah, lucky for you all, only 5 were mine, so we should be okay. Oh no, guys, this is what happened when I took boat number 3. Everybody cover your ears. I just saved you all from immediate danger. You're welcome. Well, now that we're out of the real danger, do you guys want to hear a funny story? Yeah. Just last week, one of my family members said my job was so easy, a monkey could do it. What? A monkey? I think they're clearly wrong though, guys, because those are eggs, not monkeys. Does anybody want to know the real difference between a monkey and an ape? It's a really long tale. I'm sorry, I don't have time to tell you. Up on our left are two chimpanzees, Maggie and Annette. They're both just so cute. They give me butterflies every time. Can everybody go, aww? Well, now we are now coming up to the great, the wonderful, the mysterious eighth wonder of the world, backside of water! Oh, 2H! Oh, 2H! Oh, 2H! Oh no, everyone. It looks like our school Piranhas is still out on summer break. We'll go ahead and stop anyway, and I'll show you a few of my favorite plants instead.
Very big bamboo.
That's it, guys. Those are my two favorites. We're gonna go ahead and move on with our tour now. Just like we're moving forward, those two cows on our left, yeah, they're telling that snake to move on over. As we come to the end of our tour, we're going to go ahead and hit up the gift shop, but most importantly, everyone, don't lost and found. I wonder what the monkeys are, probably. Probably with their minds, guys. Alright, everyone, just a friendly reminder, please don't anyone leave your hands out to me and make visible at all times. What can be for me is don't have that dog. Alright, everyone, you have all been an outstanding poker today. So I need you all now to be out and standing on this dog. Have a great day, everyone.